Hi, welcome to another customer self-service video. In this video, we will talk about a feature within Ariba reporting, which is called report alerts. Report alerts are typically used in the prepackaged reports or analytical reports in SAP Ariba. What happens is typically when we summarize a report or look at a report, what we typically like to see is the ability to summarize a data in a much more meaningful way. Report alerts allow us to do the exact same thing. You could create color-based alerts on your reports and make sure that you can see this as soon as the report opens up. We will look at practical examples of how this can be done and carried out in the system, which will further enhance your understanding about report alerts. Let's probably log in to the system and take a look at such a report. I have a report named the Event Spend Summary opened up at my end. This report typically details out information about the auctions which have been run in the past two quarters or 2 years, depending on the data range and the time range of values I've selected. And it contains some important pieces of information. And a piece of information which is important to me at the moment is my target savings. Target savings is typically captured from the event itself. If I would like to set an alert for the target savings, I would typically have to click on the target savings field and click on field settings. What I will then do is navigate to the alerts tab. In the alerts tab, I would click the option saying enable alerts. Once this is done, you will see some options which unhide right below this. You can create alerts for values depending on any kind of criteria you set. For instance, I would like to highlight any value in the field target savings which is beyond a specific range, say 1%. I would like to let them in green. Let me add new condition that any other value which is less than or equal to 1 should be highlighted in red. I will then say OK and navigate to the main report. Do note that now your total target savings is completely based upon specific reports. You will see some alerts available on each of these on each of the field values depending on the value of the data point. Wherever the value of the target savings is greater than 1%, it would be highlighted in green. And in all other cases, you would notice that it's highlighted in red. You could use a similar criteria in order for you to be able to come up with a color code for a specified field. It helps you summarize the entire report in a specific manner, but would also help you identify the row or the event or the project wherein an action is needed. For instance, if you identify that there is an event wherein the savings is lesser than average or lesser than target, then you could typically flag that event and reach out to the event owner to understand why a specific event has not met its target savings. These are the typical use cases which you can avail using report alerts. And this is something which is available by default to all customers who are using SAP Ariba and obviously the reporting functionality within. Thank you. If you have any questions, please reach out to your customer engagement executive, the SAP Ariba customer support team, or your consultant from the Best Practice Center. Thank you.